If your grades are stuck, you're probably making one of these 3 study mistakes. And trust me, number 2 is the worst. Hi, I'm Sandra from SANDRA'S TV, your home for growth. Today, let's fix these mistakes together. First mistake, studying with no plan. You just open your books and start reading anything. You can study for 3 hours and still remember almost nothing. Why? Because your brain had no clear direction. Here's the fix. Try the 50-10 rule. Study with full focus for 50 minutes, take a 10-minute break, and decide exactly what you'll study first. Mistake number 2, passive reading. Highlighting almost everything and thinking you'll automatically remember it. But 2 days later, you can barely remember what you read. That's because reading alone is not the same as learning. Fix is active recall. Close the book and try to explain what you just learned out loud in your own words. Ask yourself questions. Test yourself. Force your brain to retrieve the information. That's how you make learning stick. Now, mistake number 3, studying while exhausted. Pulling all-nighters and thinking more hours automatically means better results? Your brain needs sleep to process and store what you've learned. No proper sleep means poor memory and poor concentration. The fix? Get about 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Rest is not laziness. Rest is part of studying. Number 1, have a study plan. And remember the 50-10 rule. 50 minutes of focus followed by 10 minutes of rest. Number 2, use active recall. Close the book, ask yourself questions, and teach the topic back to yourself. Number 3, sleep well. Aim for 7 to 8 hours every night, so your brain has time to recover and remember. Try these 3 habits consistently for the next 2 weeks, and you'll start seeing a difference in how you study and how you perform. I actually used to make mistake number 2. I would read for hours, sometimes all night, and then forget everything when I got into the exam. Then I changed my approach. I started using active recall and proper planning, and my results improved so much faster. So if you're struggling right now, don't give up. If I can improve, you can improve too. You are smarter and more capable than you think. And I know some of you are thinking, but Sandra, I don't have enough time to study. You don't need to study everything at once. Start with one subject, plan your time, and stay consistent. Consistency will always beat last-minute cramming. Now tell me, which mistake are you making? Number 1, 2, or 3? Comment your answer below. I'm reading your comments. And don't forget to follow SANDRA'S TV for more study tips, motivation, education, and personal growth. Let's keep growing together. Dream, believe, achieve. I'll see you in the next video.